Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you how to make a white radish filled paratha. For this recipe we are going to need one white radish, which we are going to grate coarsely. We don't want it to be too fine. What we're going to do is we're going to spread out the radish in a big plate and add half a teaspoon of salt to it and mix it. We're going to set the radish out for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we're going to squeeze the water out and put the radish in a frying pan and just leave it in there for the time being. With the water we have squeezed out, we are going to mix the dough with it. We're also going to add half a cup extra of water. We've only got enough flour here to make 2 to 3 parathe. We're going to mix the dough in the machine, and because we're going to be cooking the paratha right away, we're going to make sure that the dough stays a little bit tough. Once the dough is done, we're going to start working on our radish again. We're going to add a little bit of oil to the frying pan and cook it in there for a little while. While that's being cooked, we're going to cut some green coriander into a bowl, add half a teaspoon of crushed red chili and half a teaspoon of cumin seed. As you can see, our radish is now done because it's become brown from the sides. We're going to plate it out so that it can cool down a little bit, and we're going to add half a teaspoon of pomegranate seed to a mortar and pestle and crush it. Then we're going to add it to the coriander, crushed red chili and cumin seed. We're also going to cut some fresh green chili, mix it and add the cooled radish to it and mix it some more. This will be the filling for the paratha. We have put our pan to heat beforehand so that when we start cooking our paratha, the pan is preheated. And we are going to make 2 evenly sized balls out of the dough that we have made, and squeeze the edges so that they are flat from the side. We are then going to roll both of them out into flat circles, and we want them to both be the same size again. We're just going to roll them out halfway, add the filling, and if you're new to this, just add a little bit of filling because Bajia is very good at making paratha. She can fill it in quite a lot. So we're going to cover the filling up with the other half of the dough that we rolled out. We're also going to squeeze the edges so that it sticks and doesn't fall apart in the frying pan. And we're going to dust the dough with some flour so it doesn't stick to the rolling pin or the bench top. And we're going to roll it out as much as we can without actually breaking the paratha. We're also going to stretch out the paratha by flipping it from hand to hand as Bajia is doing it. And then we're going to put it on the frying pan. Once the paratha starts changing color, like you can see, we're going to add oil. You can also add butter if you like. And then we're going to flip it over. We're going to leave it on that side until it becomes a reddish brown color, and once that side is ready, we're going to flip it over again. And once you see that both sides are evenly cooked and are equally red, then you can plate it out. If you like your paratha crunchy, then you should open it up while it's still hot and let it cool down that way. That's how we like it at home. We hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Good luck.